We do not want war. We just want to live. Close your eyes for a moment and imagine this. In the darkness of the night, a mother is holding her child tightly against her chest. Outside, explosions shake the earth. The walls are trembling. The sky is filled with fire and smoke. And that frightened little child looks into his mother's eyes and asks, "Mom, will we still be alive tomorrow?" That question does not belong to a Hindu child, or a Muslim child, or a Christian child, or a Sikh child. It is the question of a human being. Somewhere tonight, a father is silently breaking inside while looking at his children sleeping beside him. Because deep in his heart, he knows that if war grows stronger, his children may not live to see another sunrise. What kind of world are we becoming? We all want the same things. We want our children to laugh. We want them to go to school safely. We want them to play without fear. We want them to dream, to grow, to live beautiful lives. We do not want toys replaced by fear, dreams replaced by smoke, or books replaced by graves. No mother wants to carry the coffin of her child. Not a Hindu mother, not a Muslim mother, not a Christian mother, not a Sikh mother. Every mother cries the same way. Every tear has the same pain. When an innocent child is buried under broken buildings and dust, humanity dies a little more. When a father carries the lifeless body of his son in his arms, religion does not cry. Humanity cries. Why have we forgotten that? We all live under the same sky, breathe the same air, and feel the same pain. Hatred has made people blind. We fight over names, borders, religions, and politics, while innocent people pay the price with their blood. No religion teaches a mother to bury her child. No holy book celebrates burning homes. No faith smiles at the tears of innocent people. Then why are we becoming enemies of one another? This world already has enough pain. Why are we adding more suffering to it? Humanity is slowly bleeding while people are busy proving who is right and who is wrong. But in the end, every funeral looks the same. Every grave is silent, and every tear tastes the same. Before we are Hindu, Muslim, Christian, Sikh, or anything else, we are human beings. And maybe the greatest religion of all is humanity itself. So let us stop teaching hatred to the next generation. Let children inherit peace instead of fear. Let homes stay filled with laughter instead of funerals. Let humanity become stronger than war, because after everything is destroyed, after the shouting ends, after the smoke disappears, no one truly wins in war. Humanity loses. We do not want war. We do not want hatred. We do not want more graves. We just want to live.